Welcome to the setup video for the VRET.com headset to be used with prescription XRT. When you order your headset, it will come in a box something like this. You simply open the box, take it out, and you're going to find two things inside. You're going to find a strap that looks like this. On the inside it's got some tabs, and this is going to be used to wrap around for your head, which I'll show you in a minute. The inside box looks like this. You flip it over and there's a tear off tab here that you tear off so that you can open the box. When you open it, you see there's this, and you'll notice there's another perforated tab here which you will use to take the headset out of the actual box. This simply folds up and then pops into place. You fold the lenses down, and you'll notice on the top there's two little places that the tabs fold into. Okay, then we're going to turn this around, and this is where the perforation would be so that you remove the headset from its packaging, which is over here. When you turn it up this way, you'll notice you can see the lenses, and you can take your phone, put your phone here, fold up the top with the Velcro, and this is a very inexpensive headset. You may have to hold it closed sometimes depending on the thickness of your phone. And then here are the lenses that you're going to be looking through, and with the head strap you can take off the tabs. These are sticky and they stick to the sides so that once you stick them on, they'll be on either side like this, and then you can put this up to your head and look through and see the videos on your cell phone.